How to change brightness on Roblox. So if you want to change brightness on Roblox, then you can open up your Roblox application, or you can simply go with your browser and then you can open up your Roblox on your browser. Once you're here on the browser, you can simply go for the three dots and then you can go for settings. You may have graphic mode option. So under the settings, you need to go for the graphic mode. And once you're here on the graphic mode, you need to choose the manual option, and after this, in graphics quality you can increase or decrease these levels of brightness in the Roblox. And the another option is background transparency section. It's possible to set the best option to change the brightness on Roblox. So simply choose the transparency at the best, and that's it. That's how you can change your brightness on Roblox. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.